4-week-old Russian blue kittens.
Hi everyone, I have a little update from our little Russian blue kittens. They are 4 weeks old now, and they have their eyes open now, and we actually took our first steps. Soon we'll be starting on solid foods. They're getting so cute every day. They're so soft and playful. We haven't started solids yet, but we will. And they are so chubby and soft. They love being held. They're very playful. That's the kitten number 2. How cute. Number 3. And here they all are with their mommy. The kittens and mommy. Look, they already start taking their first steps in the nursery. The little babies. Look. So adorable. And I have mommy here with me. Say hi, Blue. Showing the people your babies. Thank you for watching our little update, and we'll update you more. Bye.